If you find yourself struggling to focus, your study space could be a factor in this. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some ideas you could use in order to create a productivity haven, as having the right environment can make all the difference. I'm aware that depending on what your situation is, you won't be able to follow all of these tips. I currently can't even follow all of them myself, but please feel free to take what you can or attempt to adapt to the information given so it suits you as best as it can. Picking the right location for your studying is crucial for maintaining your focus and productivity. Try and nab yourself a dedicated space where you do nothing but studying, such as a desk in your home or a spot in the library. You can even pick a seat at the dining room table or on the couch if you really need to. Really, the most important part of this is to avoid working on your bed. This is because your brain develops associations with actions and locations. If you work in bed, you might find yourself becoming sleepy, or vice versa, you can find yourself struggling to sleep at night. You should also like your space to be relatively quiet and with good natural lighting. But if that's not possible, that's okay as long as it's not horrifically distracting. Ideally, you should be near a charging station in case you need to plug something in without disturbing your work. It's the worst feeling to be working so productively in public and have to stop your flow to go home early because there's no charging space for your laptop. But I understand that can be difficult to achieve. The space you're working in should also be comfortable if you're going to be spending a lot of time there as a student. If you can, get a comfortable chair that makes having good posture comfortable. If not, you can add cushions or blankets to the seat to add that comfort yourself. When using a computer, use a stand or a stack of books to elevate the screen height to being eye level or slightly below eye level to avoid neck and eye strain. Make sure the screen isn't too far away or too up close to you. If desired, you can add extras to your space like essential oils that can calm you down and improve concentration, bring snacks and drinks to consume when your energy runs low, or even get a stress ball or fidget toy to fiddle with if that would help your focus. Keeping your study space organized is key to maintaining a clear mind. I would recommend not leaving too many things on your desk. If you're working on a science project, for example, your math notebook shouldn't be visible, for it takes up physical space and becomes another thing your mind has to subconsciously focus on. Slight decor is okay if it inspires you, such as a plant that brightens your mood, or a vision board or academic award that makes you want to work hard to achieve even more of these goals. You should also follow these tips for your digital environment. Only your tabs in active use should be visible, for example. The reason why you want to do this is to avoid distractions. You should be keeping your phone on Do Not Disturb and out of sight while working. You should use apps or website blockers to keep yourself from getting distracted, especially if you're that type of person to be on a quick 5-minute break that ends up turning into an hour-long scrolling session on TikTok. If you own headphones and find that your natural background noise is too distracting, or it may even be too quiet for your brain, you can consider listening to background music to help you concentrate. This can also help you by creating an association where you can play the audio and feel motivated to start working, which is especially helpful on days where it doesn't come as easily. Regular maintenance to keep your study space clean is also important. Do a weekly cleanup by wiping down surfaces and the objects you're using. Sometimes your things can get so dirty without you even realizing. Remove any clutter or trash you have lying around, put things back into their proper locations, and if you have extra decorations, you can rotate them in and out of use to keep the location feeling fresh. Finally, don't forget to take breaks to move your body and refresh your mind when studying. Sitting in one place for hours at a time might look very productive, but is oftentimes actually the opposite, as you can fry your brain. Go outside to get fresh air, go on a walk and stretch all your muscles. Make sure you're staying hydrated as well. All of this is going to improve your focus when you eventually return to your studying area. These strategies will help you create a study space that supports you as you work towards your academic goals by making you feel comfortable, focused, and motivated. If you have any tips of your own, please feel free to share them in the comment section down below. I would love to form a community of people who want to help each other succeed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends or whoever may need it, and hit that notification bell so you never end up missing a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay optimal.